A check engine light alone doesn't tell you much. It could be a $15 sensor or the start of a $1,500 transmission problem, and most people can't tell until the ABS or airbag light joins it. That's why OBD2 scanners are one of Amazon's most searched auto tools, and why the listings page is such a mess. Hundreds of nearly identical scanners, listings stuffed with specs that are hard to compare, and reviews that contradict each other on the same product. So today, we're cutting through that. We're looking at the 5 best-selling OBD2 scanners on Amazon based on real sales data and what's genuinely in the specs and reviews, what each one can do, where it falls short, and who it's built for. By the end, you'll know exactly which one matches your car, not just which one sold the most. Wait, before you buy that, just check this first. Retailers raise prices, then drop them so it looks like a deal. Wiredale shows you the real price history in seconds. You'll know instantly if it's worth it. And if the price is still high, set an alert. Wiredale will tell you when it drops. That's it. No gimmicks, no extra steps. Just search your product on Wiredale, then decide. Let's kick things off with a scanner that probably has no business being on a most popular list, and yet, here we are. The Autel Maxicheck MX808S sits at around $450, which immediately rules it out for most casual Amazon shoppers. So why does it make the cut? Because a surprisingly large number of buyers aren't casual shoppers. They're the person in their friend group who ends up diagnosing everyone's car, the guy running a small side hustle out of his garage, the enthusiast who's tired of guessing. And for that person, this scanner is a completely different category of tool. The speed alone is noticeable from day one. It boots fast, scans fast, and doesn't make you wait between menus. That might sound minor until you've spent 20 minutes staring at a loading screen on a cheaper scanner. Then it starts mattering a lot. But the real story is bidirectional control. Most scanners read what's happening in your car. The MX808S can actually talk back to it, activate the fuel pump, cycle the cooling fans, run an injector test. Over 3,000 active tests depending on the vehicle. That matters because it tells you whether a component is actually broken before you spend money replacing it, and that alone can save you more than the cost of the scanner. Then there's the service functions. Take battery registration, something most people don't even know exists until they replace a battery on a newer car, and suddenly the car starts behaving strangely. Normally that means a dealer visit. This handles it in minutes. And that's just one of over 28 service functions on board, covering everything from ABS bleeding to DPF regeneration. Is it overkill for someone who just wants to clear a check engine light? Absolutely. But if you're wrenching regularly, the MX808S pays for itself faster than you'd expect. Alright, number 4, and this is where most people watching this video actually start paying attention, because we're no longer talking about a $450 professional tool. The Launch CRP123X V3 Elite comes in at around $190, and for that price, it does something that cheaper scanners simply don't. It goes beyond the engine light. Here's the thing most people don't realize until it's too late. You're driving home one evening and it's not just the check engine light that comes on. It's the ABS light, maybe the airbag warning too. A basic $50 code reader, it's going to shrug at 2 of those 3. The Launch reads all of them: engine, transmission, ABS, and SRS airbags. That's the difference between actually understanding what's wrong and just knowing something is wrong. For routine maintenance, it also covers 7 service functions. The one worth calling out specifically is brake reset. If you've ever replaced brake pads on a newer vehicle with an electronic parking brake and realized halfway through that you need a special tool to retract the caliper, this handles that. No extra tool, no dealer visit. Just the scanner you already have. What also makes this scanner interesting for 2024 and beyond is the protocol support. CANFD for newer GM and Chrysler models, DOIP for certain BMW, Volvo, Jaguar, and Land Rover vehicles. These aren't features you'd normally expect under $200, and they matter if you're planning to keep this scanner for more than a year or two. No subscription fees either. Free lifetime Wi-Fi updates, a built-in DTC library, and the ability to email diagnostic reports directly from the device. It's not the flashiest scanner on this list, but at this price, it's genuinely hard to argue with. Okay, number 3, and I'll be upfront, this one was a close call. The Topdon 8600S costs almost the same as the launch we just covered. We're talking right around $200. So the obvious question is, why does it rank higher? And honestly, it's not one big thing. It's a few small things that add up. The core diagnostic coverage is the same. Engine, transmission, ABS, SRS, airbags. If a warning light comes on for any of those systems, you can pull the code, read live data, and actually understand what's happening instead of just seeing a warning light staring back at you. Where Topdon pulls slightly ahead is the service functions, 9 versus the launch's 7. Now, 2 extra functions doesn't sound like much, but one of those extras is injector coding, which is genuinely useful if you work on diesel vehicles or you've ever had to replace a fuel injector and realize the replacement needs to be programmed to the car. Without that function, you're back at the dealer. With it, you handle it yourself. The other thing worth mentioning is the platform. Android 11 gives it a noticeably smooth and responsive interface, the kind where you're not second guessing whether you're tap registered. Free Wi-Fi updates, no subscription fees, auto VIN that identifies most vehicles in seconds. It covers the basics well and doesn't make you fight the software to get there. Live data can be viewed as merged waveform graphs, which sounds technical but is actually really helpful when you're trying to spot a sensor that's behaving erratically rather than outright failing. Intermittent problems are the hardest to catch. Having a visual makes that process a lot less frustrating. Supports over 90 vehicle brands. Works with most OBD2 vehicles from 1996 onward. For $200, it's a genuinely strong package. Number 2. And this one's interesting because on paper, it actually has fewer service functions than the Topdon we just covered. 6 reset functions versus 9. So why is it ranked higher? Because the people buying this scanner aren't just buying a scanner, they're buying peace of mind, and Innova has spent years earning exactly that. Let's start with what it can actually do, because it is genuinely capable. The 5610 has bidirectional control, which we talked about back on the Autel at number 5. The short version, most scanners listen to your car. This one can talk to it. Activate the fuel pump, operate the electronic parking brake, run functional tests on supported components. That tells you whether something is actually broken before you replace it, which is the kind of feature that saves real money on real repairs. Enhanced live data across engine, transmission, ABS, and SRS systems gives you a much deeper picture of what's happening while the vehicle is running. Chasing an intermittent problem that only shows up on a cold start or under load? This is where that becomes genuinely useful rather than just a bullet point on a spec sheet. But here's what actually separates the Innova from everything else at this price point. It works with the Repair Solutions 2 app, which pulls up verified fixes and repair guidance after a scan. So you're not just getting a fault code, you're getting context around what that code actually means and what other owners with the same vehicle have done to fix it. For someone who isn't a professional mechanic, that's enormous. Add in free lifetime updates, no subscription fees, and access to ASE certified technician support when you genuinely can't figure something out, and suddenly the feature count doesn't matter as much as the overall experience. Innova has been around long enough to know what non-mechanics actually need, and it shows. And here we are, number 1. And look, I already know what some of you are thinking. How is the Foxwell number 1? The Innova has bidirectional control. The Autel has 3,000 active tests. The Foxwell can't even do oil resets. You're not wrong. On a pure feature-for-feature comparison, the NT604 Elite loses to almost everything else on this list. But that's exactly why it's number 1. Here's the reality. Most people watching this video don't spend their weekends under a car. They own a vehicle, they maintain it reasonably well, and every few months something lights up on the dashboard and they have absolutely no idea whether it's a $15 fix or a $1,500 problem. That moment of uncertainty, that's who Foxwell built this scanner for. And at around $140, it answers that question without making you feel like you needed an engineering degree to get there. It covers the 4 systems that trigger the warning lights most drivers actually see: engine, ABS, SRS airbags, and transmission. Plug it in, let AutoVIN identify the vehicle, and within a couple of minutes you know what you're dealing with. Live data streaming, a built-in DTC library that explains codes in plain language, I/M readiness for emissions testing, and the ability to save and replay diagnostic reports. That's genuinely more than most people will ever need from a scanner. One small detail that actually says a lot: instead of shipping it in a flimsy cloth pouch like most competitors at this price, Foxwell includes a hard carrying case. It sounds trivial, but it tells you something about how seriously they thought about the person actually using this thing day to day. Free lifetime updates, no subscriptions, over 60 vehicle brands covered. Is it the most powerful scanner on this list? Not even close. Is it the right scanner for most people shopping on Amazon today? Almost certainly yes, and that's why it's number 1. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more reviews and tips on the latest tools and gadgets. Drop your questions in the comments, and as always, check the links in the description if you want to pick one up for yourself. Thanks for watching.